Hello, today we're going to be simplifying square roots, cube roots, and fourth roots. If you manage to grasp the concept of what I'm about to show you, you can do fifth roots, sixth roots, seventh roots, etc., and you'll be able to do with variables also. I'm going to keep it simple and do it with numbers only. Okay, so pay close attention. The good thing about the video is you can always stop it and rewind it and go back and look. Okay, if you pay attention, I guarantee that you're going to learn. First, we're going to do the square root of 50. So all we have to do is think of two numbers that will give me 50. The first thing that comes to mind is 25. Okay, and what you want to do is break down the numbers as low as they will go. Okay, this breaks down into 5 and 5. Okay, we're basically done because 5 times 5 times 2 is 50. Now, you're going to group in pairs. So here's a pair. And that pair is going to come down as a single 5. This guy right here in the box, he doesn't have a partner to make another pair, so he comes down as a radical. And this is the answer right here. Now, why do you group in pairs of 2s? Because the number here called the index, which is not shown but understood, is a 2. So when we do the example of the cube root, we're going to group in groups of 3. When we do 32, we're going to group in groups of 4. Now watch closely as we do this one. We break this down into 9 and 6 is what first comes to mind. 3 times 3 and 3 times 2. All these numbers multiplied give me 54. Now we're going to group in pairs of 3. Why pairs of 3? This little guy up here called the index tells us that. So here's a trio. I said pair, I apologize. Here's a group of 3 numbers. He comes down as a single number. This little guy right here, he doesn't have 2 more 2s to make a trio. Therefore, he gets the radical. And it's very important that, since we're working with cube roots, that you put the radical right here, or else it will be wrong. Extending the concept to fourth roots, we're going to break this down, and first thing that comes to mind is 4 times 8, then 2 times 2, then 2 times 4, and then 2 times 2. All these numbers that are underlined give me 32 when I multiply them. Now, since the index is 4, I'm going to group in groups of 4. So here's a group of 4. He comes down as a single 2. The little guy that's left over in the box, he doesn't have 3 more 2s to make another group of 4. So he comes down in the radical as a 2. And do not forget, since we're working with fourth roots, you need to put the index here. And that's the answer for this one. If you understood the concept of the grouping, you can do just about anything.